Hey everyone, we're here with another video, and today we are lubing up our treadmill here. So we have the Nordic Track Commercial 2950 here, and we've had this thing about 2-ish years. So yeah, this will be the first time that we're lubing it. I have it set for every year that we would do this. There's also, I think it says here, 25 to 50 hours on the treadmill. So if you run a lot on the treadmill, then yeah, you have to lube it up a bit more. So I'll have a full review of the Nordic Track Commercial 2950. Make sure you watch out for that video. But today we're just lubing it up for some routine maintenance. And I'll put a link also to this lubricant on Amazon as well. So let's get started. As a general rule of thumb, basically, they give you this tube here so that you can reach the middle of the treadmill. So essentially what you do here is you want to use about 1/8 of this bottle here and then you'll eventually use 1/4 of it for the entire side. So you'll start out in the middle. So you want to reach this out basically all the way into the middle here. Lift up the belt here and squeeze out basically all the way up and down here of the belt. So this is really the friction point mostly, and then you'll use 1/8 of the bottle for this side and then 1/8 of the bottle on this side. So total 1/4 of the bottle. So let's get started here. So this thing here requires you to put this on here and then make a puncture, and then we'll take out this here. And then we'll start placing some of this underneath here. Go all the way down here. So I'm just trying to put an even level of pressure throughout the way. As you can see, we haven't really used a ton of it. So we can always just take a look underneath here and see where we're at. So you want to line basically the entire belt portion of it. So obviously this will take some practice, but let me see if we can get underneath here. All right, so you can see underneath here, you can see something there, can't you? There we go, getting some more out there. That's about 1/8 of it. So we'll move on to the next bit. But you gotta put a fairly decent amount of pressure on it to get the silicone out. So we'll go here. What's nice about this lubricant is that it doesn't really smell, so that's always, some of this stuff really smells terribly. So after that is all lubed up, you want to run the treadmill for about 3 minutes and walk on it. So we'll do that now. That's all she wrote for this one. It's a pretty quick one, so let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.